Spartan Airsoft, and today we have ourselves a mystery package boxing packaging, whatever you want to call it. This is the March Madness patch package from Airsoft GI. This one right there went up to $1,000. So I got two. So let's check it out and see if I possibly won $1,000. I doubt it, but you know. Oh man, packing slip. Okay, we're gonna unpackage it again. Oh man, hold on one second. I'm gonna use my knee. I will be getting a tripod and camera soon, so. What is that? Ooh, look at it. Sticky. Alright, first up. Just a little brochure type thingy. And this one's a patch, I can really feel it. It is the skeleton frog, which is really cool. I'm not gonna lie, I like that a lot. Velcro on the back. Alright, we got that. It's the PVC patch. Alright, let's get the next one open. My handy dandy knee back up here. Oh, this one opens way easier than the other one. Hey guys, sorry about that. It ran out of space on my stupid ass phone. But I opened the second package and I got the angry, raging hippo. Yeah. Tan. I think this might be SWAT colors. I'm not sure though. It looks to be it, so. But yeah, I didn't win no $1,000, but it's whatever. I mean, I got some pretty cool patches, so I'm happy. But yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe. And to conclude, Gatsby out.